Hey guys, welcome to my workshop with Phloshop. I said that yesterday. I rhymed, like it just rhymes. And we've been having so much fun with like the people here, the students that came for the workshop. And yeah, I just want to say thanks to everybody that came. And I'll see you guys next time. So we'll probably from Ghana go to Tanzania, go to the States, go to South Africa, go to Europe, go everywhere, hopefully. Yeah, so yes, thank you for coming for the workshop.
Hi, my name is Seth Solomon Afiakokon, and my Instagram handle is Kobe Mingo. I decided to come or join this workshop basically to learn about light. I mean, that's what the workshop is about. And so far, I think I've learned a lot, knowing from the beginning, knowing that I have to collaborate with other artists, like makeup artists and other things, and also knowing the right gear to use for my shoots. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I hope Phloshop will have on and on will come up with these workshops frequently so that we amateurs or we that are already in the industry will benefit more.
Hey, my name is Tade Adeniyi and I am representing my brand Balkiz. I make head wraps and turbans. I came here to enhance my product photography for my brand. And it's been a wonderful experience so far. I mean, I get to learn so many things I never knew before. And it's been amazing meeting the team of Phloshop and Prince Meyson from Nigeria. It's very insightful. I'm excited I am here because I've had a lot of knowledge. Thank you.
My name is Jesse Amakwata. I'm a photographer, graphic designer. Mostly, I'm not very interested in when it comes to workshops with other people because I feel we can learn most of the things on the internet. So, but when it comes to Phloshop and when it comes to Prince, I think they have a dynamic way of editing, in which I think I can bring to my scope. So that is the main reason I came for the workshop. Upon coming here, I think I've not regretted even one bit because the difference is you watching it on the internet and you having them teach you right in front of you. Because when they are with you, they're able to give you a one-on-one tutorial. And the fun thing about it is we have other students. So we get to network, we get to exchange contacts. So basically, I have not regretted. So I think maybe on the second edition, I think I should be fine.
Peace. I'm out. I'm done. I'm out.